We are back again with another new video on Scottish food journey part 3 you shouldn't miss. So first is glazed ham with creamy mashed potatoes. Sweet, juicy and perfectly comforting. Every bite feels rich and satisfying. And guys, this dish costs averagely between 14 euros to 20 euros. Next is a flavorful pork roll served with the Saigon onions. The combination of tender pork and aromatic onions, wow, creates an incredible balance of taste. And this dish costs averagely between 15 euros to 22 euros. And finally, whole lemon sole, a beautifully cooked fish dish with a fresh citrus touch that highlights Scotland's amazing seafood tradition, and it costs averagely between 30 euros to 40 euros. These dishes show how Scottish cuisine blends tradition, flavor and comfort. If you love discovering authentic food around the world, follow, subscribe and like Holiday Vacation Hub.